Guys, on today's video I'll take you through one of the best method that you can use to win bet, any bet that you want to win, either goals bet, handicap, go both team to score, or any other bet. With this simple method you can win bet every day. This is what I've been using for a long time, winning a lot of bets, and I would like to share it with you so that as the season is about to start, then we all win together. So follow me and let me introduce this method to you. Now we just use the Sofascore. This is the Sofascore. That's what we are coming to use for this method. It's very simple and easy. If you don't have the Sofascore app, when you go to Play Store, you can get it from there. Then you just upload it into your phone, then you log in. So let's move on. We go to our profile. So we have matches, likes, favorite, and profile. So this is the profile. When you tap on the profile icon at the bottom of your Sofascore app, then you move on to dropping odds. So this is the dropping odds. The last time I explained the dropping odds to you. So today we are going on to another one, which will be this one, top team strikes. So here, when you come here, we have a lot of things to discuss over here. So when you tap, you can see no goal conceded, no goal scored, without clean sheet, more than 2.5 goals, less than 2.5 goals, both team to score, first team to score, first team to concede, first half winner, first half loser. So all these are options that we normally choose in betting. So when you are selecting your team for betting, some of us go for both team to score, others go for clean sheet, over 1.5, over 2.5, first half, first team to score, first team to concede. All these options are in our betting options, so you can choose. So if you come to this method, what Sofascore do over here is that they normally select teams that are capable of winning these methods, like no goal conceded, no goal scored, without clean sheet, and all this. So they do research about the best team that perform this method that they have choose over here. So like no goal conceded, as you can see. So this team, they have played 6 matches, they haven't conceded any goal. Then the second team, the same team, 5 matches, they haven't conceded any goal. Then it is you can have to over there. So next event within 48 hours. So they update the table over here every 48 hours, which is 2 days. Every 2 days they will bring new teams to replace this one. So that's what they do. So they do research about all the teams across the world, then they select teams that normally perform well according to their research. So these are the teams that they do not concede goals. So they have played 6 matches, they have not concede goals. Then you can tap it, then it just, as you can see, they are winning. This team is from Argentina. So as you can see, so they haven't conceded any goal for the past 6 matches that they have played. Then this one is 5 matches. They have not conceded a goal, as you can see. So if you want to select teams that do not concede more goals, you can just come in here, then you pick your team, then you bet on them. So let's move on to no goal scored. So some teams over here, they haven't scored goal. So this team, they have played 9 matches, they haven't scored any goal. So if you want to bet on teams like this, you can go for these teams. So they don't score goals, as you can see. They have lost all their matches. So here you can go both teams to score. You can say no when they are playing. When this team is playing, you can go for no goal for both teams. Then this one, 6 matches, they haven't scored any goal, as you can see over here. The same thing. Then we have this team too. The same thing, they have lose. So these teams are teams that they have not they haven't scored any goal. All the matches that they have played, they haven't scored any goal. As you can, some have played 9 matches, 6 matches, 5 matches, 4 matches, and others. So they will update the table every 24 hours, which is 2 days. They will bring new teams together. They will bring another teams, and then they replace this one with the new team that they will bring it. So let's move on to let's say without clean sheet. So these teams, they have played almost 44 matches without clean sheet. So then you can check it, 44 matches without clean sheet. So as you can see over here, you can go through it, then you check it. All of this are this one 36 matches without any clean sheet. So those who go for clean sheet and others, you just come here, then you pick your teams, then it's straightforward, then you bet on it. This one 44, 36 matches, 33, 28. We can check it as you can see. So all these teams are match that they have played, which is they without clean sheet. So all these teams they haven't having a clean sheet. 44 match, 36 match, then you can go through. This is football. If you don't want football, you can select our other league. So we are using football. That's why it is this over there. Then let's move on to more than 2.5 goals. So teams that normally score more than 2.5 goals when they are playing. So more than 2.5 goals. This team, when you tap it, you can see they are from Germany. So anytime they are playing, they score more than 2.5 goals when they are playing. So here you can check it and see 4, 6, 3, 3, 3, 3. So as you can see, anytime they are playing, they score more than 2.5 goals. So teams like this, when you want to go for what do you call it, over. When you want to go for over 2.5, over 1.5, you can select team like this because they normally play all their match, they score over 2.5 goals. And then you select them. So their next match will be this team. So they have played 10 matches. All the matches that they play, they score over 2.5 goals. So this is the team. Then you go through their statistics, then you check their matches. So here more than 2.5 goals. So out of 7 matches they played, more than 2.5 goals. This team too, they have played more than 2.5 goals. So these two teams, when anytime they are playing, they score more than 2.5 goals. Then you can get it over here. So the first time they met, they score 2-1, which is over 2.5. Then they score 4-0, which is over 2.5. So as you can see, it's likely that their next match they will score over 2.5 goals from this team. So that's how it is. Then the next one is this team too. They score more than 2.5 goals anytime. This one is from Switzerland. They score more than 2.5 goals. So as you can see, 8, 6, 3, 2, 7, 5, 3, 3. So then their next match they will play, it's likely that they will score more than 2.5 goals. So then you check it and see. They haven't met before, so you can choose another team. So all these teams, they score more than 2.5 goals in their matches that they have played. So this one they have played 10 out of 10 matches, they score more than 2.5 goals. This one the same thing, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. All these are teams that they have played 10 matches. Out of the 10 matches they have played, both teams that they meet, they score more than 2.5 goals. So anytime you are selecting teams about goal scoring, you can choose any of these teams. They will update the table within 2 days time. They will bring another team. So these are the teams that they score more than 2.5 goals anytime they are playing. So if you want to go for goals bet, you can choose these teams, but keep it in mind that maybe you are betting tomorrow, you can come for these teams, but within 48 hours when you come here, you will not come to meet these teams again because they will change it. They will bring another teams. That's what they do. So the next one is less than 2.5 goals. Teams that they don't score more than 3 goals when they are playing. So they have it over here 9, 10, 9, 10. So let's say Slovenia under 19. They don't score more goals when they are playing. This one 1-1, 1-1, 2-0, 2-0. So Slovenia under 19, when they are playing, they don't score more than 2.5 goals. So they normally score 2, 1, 2, 1. So these are the teams that they don't score more than 2.5 goals. So these teams, then this one too, the same thing. So these teams, if you are playing for what do you call it, under, you can choose these teams. So Aponicus here over here, they don't score more than 2.5 goals. You can see from there. Only Aponicus said they can't score more than 2.5 goals. Here they score 2, here they score 2, here they score 1, here 0-0, here they score 1-1. So they normally don't score more than 2.5 goals. So when you are betting on them, you can say home team under 2.5, only home team. Then you choose, then you are free to to go. So the next one will be both teams scoring. So both teams scoring. These teams, all the matches that they have played, when they score, the team also scores some. So all their matches they have played, they normally get both teams to score. Here, as you can see, 1-1, 3-3, 3-3 is over here, 4-3. Anytime they score goal, the other team the opponent will also will score some. So they normally play both teams to score. So if you want both teams to score, you can choose this team. So which means it's likely that this team, the next match that they will play, it's likely that both teams will score, because all the matches that they have played, both teams score. So here, then we have Limestream. Limestream also too, they concede a lot of goals. So here, 4-1, 2-1. So anytime they play, they concede a goal. So opponents score them, they too they score. So both teams to score, is likely that their matches that they play, both teams to score will appear. That is how it is. So this is their next match that they are playing. So their next match that they are playing, it's likely that both teams will score. Here they score 5-2. Both teams to score, it appears. So it's likely that their next match, both teams will score. So if you want to go for both teams score bet, you can choose these options. Like these teams, they normally score they normally score goals between the two opponents. So goals will appear between the two opponents, you can see. But within 2 days time, they will update the system to bring another teams. That's how it works. Then the next one, that's the both team to score option. Then we have the first team to score. So first team to score, we have Lazio, Barcelona, Real Bull, Celtic, and others. So anytime these teams appear, it's likely that they will score first goal. That's how it works. Anytime they are playing, it's likely that they will score first goal. So that's how it is. So Barcelona, Lazio, when they are playing against any team, either the team is big or it's likely that they will score first goals, because 10 matches that they have played, they have scored first goal. Barcelona too, 10 matches that they have played, they have scored first goal. Red Bull about first half, they score first goal. Then Palmeiras too, 9 out of 10 matches they play, they score first goal. So it's likely that when you are playing against any of these teams, it's likely that they will score first goal. That's how it was. So these are the matches that they have played, and the number of matches that they score first. So here 10-10, 9-9, 9-10, 9 up to us. So within 48 hours time, they update the system to bring another team. First team to concede. So all these teams are teams that they concede first. Anytime they are playing against any opponent, they normally concede first goal. Like this one, 10 matches, they first concede the goal. Then the second team also concede. Out of 10 matches, 9 of them they concede. Rangers and others, all of these teams, they concede first goal anytime they are playing. Then the next one is first half winner. So these teams, anytime they are playing, they normally win their matches within the first half. So first half, when they are playing, it's likely that they will win. So if you want to go for win bet for this team, any of these teams, when they are playing, you can choose first half win for any of these teams, because this one, 9 matches they played, 8 of them they win the game within the first half. Then the next one also do the same thing. So all these teams, they normally win their games within the first half. So if they are playing and the team that they are playing with is not so that strong, you can choose first half win for any of these teams. They normally win their match, and these are the number of matches that they are win within the first half. Is easy and simple. Then first half loser. So all these teams, they normally lose within the first half, so they can't win their game in the first half. So when you are playing with these teams, they don't normally win within the first half. They normally lose within the first half. So before you do all these things, research that Sofascore has done, then they bring it for their customers, for their bettees to choose this option. But it's not 100% accurate that what they have said over here is going to work. So when you are choosing teams like this, you don't have to choose more teams. You can select up to 5, 4 or 6 teams, then you bet on it. So you can choose one from here, then the other side, then other options, then you combine, then you stick. Or you can choose 2 teams together, then you stick. Don't choose all the teams. No. Then they update the system within 48 hours. So if you want to bet, anytime you want to choose any of these options, come early, then you select the team, then you bet on it, so that you can win something. In another video, I'll bring you another method that we can use. These are some of the methods that I normally use to win bet every day. Using Sofascore app is very simple and easy to use this option. It's very fantastic and easy. I hope this video is very helpful for you and you enjoying it and you will learn something from it. And from today going, you too, you are going to win something from betting. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share, comment if you don't understand it, and turn on the notification so that anytime we drop video, you'll be the first person to get it. Thank you for watching. Yeah.